Good afternoon, everybody. Jason with the MarineMax Clearwater team. Today we're going to give you a quick walkthrough of the Sea Ray 400 Sundancer. Here you'll see you have a really expansive swim platform. Gives you plenty of real estate to play with the kids, family, and friends, but also to flip your burgers and dogs with this excellently placed aft galley. As you step aboard into the cockpit, you have a push button sure shade that'll give you plenty of shade off the back of the boat. Plenty of seating for those friends and family. Sea Ray offers this excellent collapsible door system here. Makes it one with the cockpit and the salon as you enter the boat, so entertaining is flawless. Tons of room aboard the 400 Sundancer. We have an L-shaped sofa here in the salon. This will also pull out into a sleeper. Love seat to the port side of the boat and your entertainment system. Solid surface countertops. Plenty of storage at this galley. And I love the helm on the 400 Sea Ray. Flip up bolsters for both the captain and the companion. Flip up armrest. Twin 12-inch displays with Sea Ray's joystick docking system. This boat's powered with the Cummins 480 engines. Beautiful appointments on this boat with the contrast in the wood throughout. Why don't you step on down? This Sea Ray is equipped with 2 staterooms and 2 heads. Your starboard side stateroom. This one here is equipped with the 3-bunk layout for added sleeping. You can also get against the wall there a boat with a really large dresser as well. This one here has the 3rd bunk. This is going to be your day head for your guest on board. And your master will be forward. The master is well appointed, queen size island, television, long garment lockers for your clothes, and the master also has a private head. The 400 shows better in person, guys, so if you guys would like to take a closer look, come see the team at MarineMax Clearwater. You can give us a call at 727-536-2628. My name's Jason, and we'll hope to see you soon.